staged in here. I think I got a big rock caught on. Another little lake. Could be over at Scatchet side. Got something on here. Got a little weight to it. Down deep. Oh yeah, it's shaking. Feels like a little ling. Kinda, or a big, could be a big old rocky. I'm in 75 feet of water here. Yeah, I think it might be just a big rocky coming right up. That or a little 28-inch ling. Looks like a ling to me. Nice. Might be going home. Yes, sir. Woohoo! There we go. Been tough today again. Same thing with yesterday, but I got one here yesterday, so I came back. Here we are. Woohoo! Did her again. Haven't seen any caught yet. There's only one other boat out here. My other spot, there's a couple guys anchored in there. So, we did it. Oh, this is green. Look at that. Blue. This is a nice blue one. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! That's what I've been wanting. I'd like if they were a little bigger, but when it's slim pickings like this, late evening, sun's going down. Not too sure exactly what time it is. We better measure though, just to be sure. I think it's a 28 this time. Okay, maybe even smaller, I don't know, 27. Ooh. That is bare minimum, well, 26 and a half. Oh, quit. Yes, sir. We'll go with that. Just barely, about a half inch, about 3/4 of an inch. Not quite 30, not quite 27. Bare minimum. Nice. I'll take it. I'm gonna be heading home now. Whew. A little choppy out here today, but not too bad. Got her done. Off we go. Thanks for watching, everybody.